Today, education has become a big business module. Fortunately, unfortunately, the education is supposed to be a non-profit making investment. But what actually happens on the ground, most of us know. Today, we know that 12 to 15,000 crores of black money is generated only through the medical admissions. So my question is, why can't the government take steps to allow the investment into the education sector straightforward way instead of round around showing the nose, and let it be a clarity, transparency in the administration process. That is number one. Number most important is, today the downtrodden section, including me, is able to sit in the parliament because of the reservation. There must be reservation. Reservation cannot be only confined to the publicly or government institutions. The reservation for SC, ST, OBC and also economically backward section must be included in the private managed universities or deemed universities. Otherwise it will lead to public unrest, because like health, education has become almost 2/3 of the education has gone into private. My request is, I know the minister is very efficient, take the call and on the behalf of the 124 people of our countrymen.
Madam Speaker, as the Honourable Member I'm sure knows, that the UGC regulation which have been notified in the year 2010 are the ones which fix minimum standards of administration even in the university system. Insofar as ensuring that fees are not hiked and the students are not impacted, I would like to hear through you, Madam Speaker, tell the House that most of the states are empowered to ensure that they have a fee committee which fixes the minimum standard and benchmark in their states, so that exorbitant fees are not taken from the students. Also, under the AICT, the Sri Krishna Committee report guidelines to ensure the students are protected from exorbitant fee hike is also been approved, and we have communicated the same to every state. I would also like to state here, Madam Speaker, that the SWAYAM portal that my ministry proposes, Madam, is the first of its kind, because it will ensure free education to every section of the society. And I would implore every member of the House that once it comes into the public domain, I will seek the assistance of every parliamentarian to ensure that it reaches every citizen within their own constituency. And I think that will be the greatest service we can do through education to our population.
लश्कर-ए-तोयबा ने 4 लोगों ने मिलकर, जिसमें इशरत जहां भी थी, उन्होंने गुजरात के बड़े नेता को खत्म करने का प्रयास किया। उसी मकसद के साथ गुजरात में आई